If you watched the graded question video, you already know that the hotspot question is an effective way to have a learner identify a specific area on a slide. At first glance, it may sound similar to the Freeform Pick One question, and in some cases, they can be used interchangeably. The difference is subtle but important. With a Pick One question, you must create separate shapes or objects that the learner selects. With a hotspot question, you don't need to create additional shapes for correct or incorrect options. Instead, you define clickable regions directly in Form View. This makes hotspot especially useful for hidden object-style interactions. You can start building this question in either Slide View or Form View. I recommend starting in Slide View so you can insert and position your image exactly where you want it. While you can insert an image in Form View, Storyline automatically centers it on the slide, and you cannot reposition it without switching back to Slide View. In this example, we're using a Where's Waldo style image and asking the learner to find the pug. Hint: he's in the red and white tent hiding from the sun. Once your image is in place, switch to Form View. You'll see a preview of your slide on the left. To define clickable areas, you can either select the Add Hotspot button beneath the slide preview, or choose to insert an oval or rectangular hotspot using the controls on the right side. If you use the Add Hotspot button beneath the preview, you can draw a custom freeform shape around the exact region you want the learner to select. The first hotspot you create will appear in green and is automatically set as the correct answer. Any additional hotspots must also be added using the Add Hotspot button. These will appear in red and function as incorrect distractors. Each hotspot will also be listed on the right side of the Form View. From there, you can rename them and change which one is marked as correct by selecting the appropriate radio button. That's the structure of a hotspot freeform question. You define regions, not objects.